It's your girl Killer Bree, where we slay all day and we don't come to play. Oh my god, this is me, y'all, raw and uncut. My bags under my eyes, eyebrows not done, lashes not on. I feel bald, but we about to change that. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and this is your first time watching, make sure you press subscribe. That's the way that we become best friends, okay? Click that bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be alerted for every video that I post. Enough talking, let's jump right into these eyebrows. Okay, so first things first, we're going to set our brows with the Kiss Pro Touch setting powder in the shade Earth. This now takes all the grease and all the oil off of your face so you can properly groom them. So just brush that right off and brush downwards with the wand. Now you're going to take any small scissors that you have. Mine just so happen to be a little bit curvy, so it's easier to do a little arch. I just brush down, keep brushing down, and then clip any unwanted long hairs that I see. Now whatever you do to one eyebrow, you have to do to the other. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side. Now I'm using the same method, but I'm just brushing upwards, and I'm just going to clip any unwanted hair that I do not want. Now I'm about to do the same process on the other eyebrow. This is not rocket science, guys. This is so easy, and it's better than going to the nail salon to get your eyebrows waxed off every second. Now I'm going in with NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to squeeze it on top of a cap that I have laying around, and then I'm going to dip my angled brush into it, and I'm going to line my brows. Now I'm just filling. And this is the part that I knew that I messed up. Look at that, just applied too much to the front. Look, Now I'm about to grab my handy dandy angled brush, and I'm going into the BH Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to conceal these brows. I'm going to carve out this shape because, honey, I love me some concealer. Concealer always forgive and forget, honey. Yes. Now I'm going to do that on the top. Oh, I did that with the slickness. Oh, okay. So this is the part that got me so upset. It's like one of them is thicker than one of them is thinner. Now I gotta fix. Listen, eyebrows is it determines the shape of your face. This is like do or die type stuff, you know what I'm talking about? So I gotta make sure this is perfect. I gotta go in and I gotta fix this, because clearly I can't walk out look at the house looking like this. I can't. Now I gotta bring out the big guns. I gotta put on my glasses to see if this is even, because listen, I always hear that eyebrows are sisters, not twins, but listen, I need my eyebrows to look like at least fraternal twins, because you can't be looking like a brother from another mother. That's what we not gonna do. That's what we're not gonna do. Okay, go ahead, fix that thing and blend it out. Yes, honey, I see you. I'm about to grab this concealer from Collab No Flawless Liquid Concealer. Yes, I know that it's 10 shades lighter than me. I'm not gonna put that on my face. Listen, this part, I love this because it's a trick that I learned. You know, you just put a hella light concealer underneath your eyebrows. It brings out everything. It's like, it just gives that highlight that you need, that you want, that you crave, okay? Now we're just gonna blend everything out so it can be seamless. Don't try to take out your eye like I just did. Just blend, honey. Now don't get me wrong, I love me some concealer, but why is it that every time when I blend my eyebrows out, my eyebrows always getting lost? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go right back into that tail and try to bring it right back to life, you know? That's what we're gonna do. Now you know we're gonna grab my favorite setting powder and we're gonna just set it and forget it, honey. Now I'm just gonna do this all around my eyebrows. And also what I like to do is that I like to put a little bit in the front so that I can give that ombre effect. You know, that real eyebrow, like it was supposed to be on my face, but it's not on my face, but I had to draw it on. But I didn't, but I did. Every time when you wipe off that setting powder, it always make your eyebrows get lost. So we gonna bring it right back and we're gonna put on some Go Brow Eyebrow Mascara by Kiss. And we're just gonna, you know, set everything. There I go again, back at it again, putting on my glasses, trying to make sure that everything's straight. Because you know what? I'm a perfectionist when it comes to eyebrows and I'm not afraid to say it, okay? I like it a certain way and it gotta be fleek all day, every day. Now, if you don't know, now you know. I love me some highlight. So I'm going into the Makeup Forever palette and I'm grabbing that gold and I'm about to shine, honey. I'm about to shine. Shine. Ooh, baby, but that highlight though. You looking good, girl. You looking good. Now you know my middle name is Extra, so I'm about to just slap on some lashes because you know I can. And I want y'all, if y'all haven't already, watch my lash tutorial. Yes, honey, it's from 11 Lashes. They're called Russian Love. You should get them. They're $10.
Alright, so that is all for this video. Be on the lookout for all my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. You already know, hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it to make sure that you never miss a video of me, best friend, okay? That's how we become best friends, if you hit that subscribe button, okay?